Welcome to the world of mini motocross excellence with the all-new 2024 GasGas MC 65. This beast is designed for young riders who are ready to dominate the track with unmatched performance and agility. Let's dive into what makes this bike a top choice for aspiring champions. The 2024 GasGas MC 65 comes with replicating the design of our big bikes for ultimate strength, improved handling, and confidence-inspiring stability. With the new and all-red bodywork certainly looks the business. The MC65 features adjustable, child-specific ergonomics, which means the bike caters for more riders. The bodywork, shock, and subframe can now be fitted in two positions, which offers a seat height of either 715mm or 760mm. This allows shorter kids to start on the lower setting and keep riding the same bike for longer, which builds up their skills and confidence. At the heart of the GasGas MC 65 is a robust 64.9 cubic centimeters, one-cylinder, two-stroke engine. This powerhouse is managed by a state-of-the-art HIDRIA ECU, ensuring precise and reliable performance every time you hit the throttle. The 6-speed transmission provides smooth and responsive shifting, crucial for maintaining momentum on the track. And with a reliable kickstarter, you're ready to get going without any fuss. Keeping the engine at optimal temperatures, the liquid cooling system ensures that your bike can handle the heat of intense racing without breaking a sweat. With a bore of 45mm and a stroke of 40.8mm, the GasGas MC 65 is engineered for efficiency and power. The wet, multi-disc clutch with Formula hydraulics guarantees a smooth and controlled ride, letting you focus on the race. The chassis is where the GasGas MC 65 really shines. Weighing just 53.5 kilograms without fuel, it's lightweight yet incredibly sturdy thanks to the chromolybdenum steel central tube frame. This design offers unmatched durability and flexibility on tough terrains. With a fuel tank capacity of approximately 4.5 liters, you can keep going longer between refuels. The bike features disc brakes both front and rear, with diameters of 215mm and 253.5mm respectively, providing exceptional stopping power. The front suspension is handled by an XACT 35WP upside-down fork with a 35mm diameter, offering 215mm of travel. In the rear, an XACT WP monoshock delivers 253.5mm of travel, ensuring a smooth ride over rough surfaces. With a ground clearance of 259mm, the GasGas MC 65 can easily handle obstacles on the track. The seat height is set at 730mm, providing a balanced riding position, while the steering head angle of 64.5 degrees ensures precise handling. Whether you're a young rider looking to start your motocross journey or aiming to upgrade your skills, the 2024 GasGas MC 65 is your ticket to success. Experience the thrill, precision, and performance of this incredible machine. Get ready to conquer the track with GasGas. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest motocross machines.